Happy Kids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happy Kids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an apple pie. It's fall time, it's apple picking, and I mean, come on, who doesn't love apple pies? I love them and I love apples. Here's what you need to get started. You need brown and red Play-Doh. You also need a Play-Doh rolling pin and pizza cutter. But if you don't have one of these, that is okay. You can just use a real one. Let's get started. First, I'm going to get started with the crust. And to form the crust, I like to use a little bowl. Just peel the Play-Doh off the bowl. Now we're going to make the little apple balls. Just filling up my pie. Just going to be any ordinary apple pie. I'm going to do a fancy basket weave for the top crust. Here's how you do it. My apple pie. It was so much fun doing the basket weaving for the top crust. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next on Happy Kids. See you later. Now I'm gonna take a bite out of my real apple.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.